Things to do in 2026. 2026 na. Dili na ni practice year. This is not try lang era. This is do or stop making excuses era. This year, let's be real. Una, stop pleasing everyone. Kay the truth is, dili tanan malipay. Bisan unsaon nimo kabutan. So choose peace over people pleasing. Second, take care of your body and mind. Dili di about sexy lang. This is about survival. So ikaw mismo gikapoy na unsaon pa nimo pagtabang sa uban. Third, fix your finances. Dili kinahanglan dato ka karon. Pero kinahanglan kabalo ka asa padulong imong kwarta. Less gastos sa walay pulos. More investment sa imong kaugalingon. Fourth, choose growth even if it's uncomfortable. Dili tanan nimo gusto buhaton, pero kinahanglan. Kay growth is painful, pero staying stuck is worse. And lastly, pray, but also move. Ay lang sige ingon, Lord, bahala na. Lord, tabangi ko. Kung ikaw mismo walay lihok, faith without action is just wishful thinking. 2026 is your reminder. You survived enough. Now it's time to build, to heal, and to show up for yourself. This year, be disciplined. Let's be brave. And don't waste another year explaining why you didn't try. 2026, make it count. This is Mami Mayang. Follow and share.